Click on to check-in. For check-in process, enter the reservation number of the guest. Once you enter the reservation number, under room details, the room type, number of guests, advance paid, room rent, and also the customer details automatically shows up on the screen. Now enter the room number of the guest. You can also edit the address of the guest here. Now click on to the customer details and then select save option. The check-in has been done successfully. And now the guest will receive a confirmation notification. You can either print or view the GRC acceptance tariff. For checking the room status, click on to check-in option. This page shows the status of the room in a color-coded way. As the room 1002 has been checked in, it is shown in red. Thank you.